See you on TV, sunset done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had.
Today I'm going to do my top 10 Nerf guns, and I got some bullets, so I'm going to show you all my bullets too. Least to best bullets. Number 1 is the sticky bullet. Number 2 is zombie strike. Don't really know what this bullet is, but still it's pretty cool. It's like, really, wait, where is it? It's really weird on the end, kind of. Number 3 is the accurate strike bullet, the new one. Number 4 is, I don't really know what this is, it's just my friends and it's good. Number 5 is the elite bullet. 6 is the white elite bullet. 7 is the, what's it called? The Doomsland bullet. Number 7 something is the, forgot that bullet. Number 8 is a sticky bullet that goes to like some guns, like the Air Warriors guns. And number like 11 is the Mega Bullet. Well, we're going on to the first gun. Okay, here's our first gun, number 10. It can hold some bullets back here. Let me go ahead and open it for you guys. It's hard not to have people helping you. My brother's going to help me later in this video, I think. Hold bullets back there. And you just like this and shoot it. And I'm going to shoot it. I'm going to shoot it this way though. But I don't want you to see my big surprise. But here we go. 3, 2, 1. That's crazy. So let's go on to the next gun. Next gun is the split strike. This gun, you can, like, it's together. Cut these two back. And then you can take it, like, it's hard to get apart, like, with one hand. Yeah, let me just get it apart real quick for you guys. Okay. I got it apart. And then, I'm just going to shoot one right now. You just go ahead and fire. It's pretty good. And then you can like fire them both at the same time. It's really cool. Like, here, let me demonstrate. Let me put both of them on for you guys really quick. Let's watch the bullets. The bullets always are better in the front. And then cut both things back. It's a little harder than I usually do. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. See how cool that was? Okay, on to the next gun. Is the Recon MK2. It's got some enforcements. This thing can come off. This thing can come off, and it's really cool. 6-bullet clip, and it takes the white bullets, which I'm going to shoot the first white bullet over there. I don't want you to see my big surprise. So, yeah, and then you cock it back. This thing goes back. This thing goes forward. Then keep on shooting it. And so we're going to go on to the next gun. Is called the Vagabond. And it's from our Nerf Doomsland. And it is a pretty boss gun. It's got 5, 6 bullets. And cock this thing back, cock it forward. I love the cocking style. It is an awesome gun. Let's just don't show that gun. See how cool it is? And then let me show you how to cock it. Take it. Wish my cameraman was here. Okay. Show you how to cock it real quick. Okay, guys. That's how you cock it. You go. And then fire. Wait. Let me show you how. What's gonna look like. Fire. Woo. On to there. Here is our next gun. I moved it up back there from here, so I can show you how to shoot it. It is the crossbolt. It is a boss gun. It's got a little scope right there. You bring it back, bring it forward. It's got that. Let's show you how to shoot it. Then you show you like that. Oh gosh, the clip fell out. Who cares? Okay, on to the next one. Here is the next gun. It is the Wallbringer. Let me show you how it shoots. It's pretty boss. Just need a thumb to reload it. If you have one. 16-bullet clip, and it's got a little storage back here. really cool. On to the next one. Okay, here's where the big guns start to come in. And let me video with my knees. This baby, I always thought you shooted it, but you just pull it. Oh gosh. Just pull it back. Oh gosh. Push it forward. And then I'm going to pull it back. Oh gosh. See? Okay, 30 bullet clip. It is a nice gun. On to next. We have the Doomsland. This is one of my best guns. I'm going to show you real quick. The thing didn't work out. I shoot behind me. Hopefully you can see.
Well, that did not work out.
It didn't work. Here, I'm going to shoot over here for you guys. You won't see it, but I'll still be cool. Why is it not working? Technical difficulties, guys. Oh, it's because this bullet back here. Okay. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now you do this and it works. Do that's really cool. Go to this one. It's really cool. And also a cool feature about it is that you can take this thing off and put it right here or right here. A really, really cool thing. You should get it. And we're going on to number 1. Here's number 1, this little crossbow. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's go to number 1. We didn't have enough bullets to fill this big bad boy up. Here it is. Can you video? Can you? Here. My brother will video this.
Go.
Okay, guys, we're on to the big mega. If you haven't heard of this, is the Megalodon. We don't have like that much bullets for it, but we have a lot. Holds 24 bullets, and here we go. Video me, bro. Crazy master.
You could see that, but that was pretty good.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you later. Bye.